All right, congrats. We got SpamtyHD pick box 10, and he gets the first pick of the 3 mini boxes. Then we got KeatonL15 gets pick 2, and BizzbNYG gets stuck with the last box of the mini boxes. Congrats, sir. Congrats, guys. Empty box. Alright, there you go, buddy. Box 1. I'll go box 1. Which one's box 1? Top box or bottom box? Top box. Alright, good luck, Spam. Oh, let me move it down a little bit. Alright, again, good luck, Spam. Here we go. Jeremy McAllen for the Kansas City Chiefs. Greg Olston. Andrew Luck. Let's take a look here. And your auto, Brandon Dudley again. Second time I pulled him out of 250. And you also get a patch to 99, Jared Goff. Damn, I thought it was an auto too. There you go, Spam. All right, Keaton, pick top or bottom, sir? Bottom. Empty box. Eddie Lacy. Steve Smith Sr. T. Hill, number to 499. Your auto is Doug Baldwin. That's nice. He had a nice number to 89. I think they're doing the last numbers to their jersey numbers on this. Not bad. And your jersey is a Derrick Henry, number to 99. There you go, Keaton. Congrats, sir. All right. BizzbNYG. Here you go, sir. Oh. Empty box. Is it a book? No, it's not a book. It's not a book. Don't let them get your hopes up, buddy. It might still be a nice, it has to be an RPA, but it's not a book. Alright, let's see if I can hook it up real quick. Let's do it like this. I'm not sure. Here we go. Cam Newton. Ben Roethlisberger. You got an Annie. Archie Manning, number to 499. And your patch auto eBay 101 Marcus Mariota, number 50 to 50. Wow. Last pick box. Look at that. This is sick. Tools of the trade, Marcus Mariota, 50 to 50, eBay 101. Congrats, Biz. And your other patch, wow, is another sick one. Look at that. What a mini box. Jarvis Landry, number to 99. It's a patch with a little bit of a glove and a jersey. That was a dope box. Congrats, sir. Not bad for the last box. Congrats. You're welcome for the rerun, they said.